Hello everyone! Ito yung aking Korean chicken curry. So, kakain tayo. May rice ako, may patatas din ako. At saka, may kimchi din ako. So, sabaw natin. Nag-crave ako ng itong food na to, kaya niluto ko. So, let's pray. Thanks God for the food. And this one, I put this one. So I put a chicken curry. Yeah. Then rice. Then some cucumber. Yummy. Delicious. Masarap. Half cup rice ako, guys. Mas lang napasok sa aking calories. Diet calories guys tayo ngayon. Binabantayan ko yung aking diet. Delicious. Masarap yung Korean na chicken curry kasi wala siyang gata. Delicious. Napaka-healthy. Napaka-yummy. Yummy. Kimchi. Kimchi tayo, guys. Tapos meron tayong seaweeds. Delicious. Yung sabaw niya, sarap. Sarap. Kimchi. Thank you guys for watching. Subukan nyo itong recipe na to. Ang sarap.